Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about how we can create tasks in a user story. Okay, and I will also show you what if you wanted to add multiple tasks for multiple user stories in one go, how you can do that, because if you are gonna create it manually it will take a lot of time. So this is my user story. Okay, and if I wanted to create a task inside it, I can go here, new item. Instead of task, let's say writing test cases. This is my one of the task, right? Okay, now this has been assigned to someone and you can estimate this task. Let's say 8 hours, 8 hours, and completed will be 0. So once you start executing, once you start writing your test case in the test plan, you can add comments here and you can change. Okay, let's say it's logged. Now you have created one task, writing test cases. Okay, now once you start working on it, you will slowly burn your hours. Okay, so let's say original estimate was 8, remaining is 8. Now since you have already started today, you spent 4 hours in it, so 4 remaining and 4 completed. You can write, edit, and test cases or whatever to the user stories, or in progress of writing the test case, you can say. Right, so this is how you can create a task. Right, you can have as many as tasks as you want for a user story. Okay, you can segregate your work and you can create a task like execution of test cases. So first task you created for creating the user story test cases. Another task is to execute the test cases. Let's say you have estimates are this. So this is how you can create. Now suppose you wanted to add these type of tasks for 20 or 30 user stories. How you do that? Right? It will be tricky. So what you can do, the best way is you can create a template. How to create a template? So you can search, let's say task, any tasks to get the template. Let's say these are the tasks. You can export these tasks to a CSV. Now you have these fields, right? Better to add whatever fields you want to add, right? Let's say since you need, come on, it's taking some time. Let's say you need iteration path also, you need original estimates also, you need remaining hours also, right? Something like that. Okay, or if you want any other field, right? Let's say area path or something, right? Or anything, right? I'll just not, I was trying to find out if there is a, okay, I don't see, but you can add basically these two things. That's okay. So now you have all the columns for which you need to, for which what all columns you wanted to add while creating a task. Okay, or values while creating a task. Now export it. Now if you see here, I have task here. Okay, and this is the task numbers. Now what I will do, I'll show you first of all. So let's say I wanted to add 20 tasks. Okay, I'll copy this because I wanted to create similar kind of task. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now you see these IDs you don't need to put because the IDs will be generated as soon as you will import the task, these tasks. Now you can assign it to anyone you want. State will be new, and let's say few are in, so let's say writing will be in 1 and execution will be in 2. So you can say 2. Okay, and remaining hours anyways you have updated. Let's say instead of 4 you can have 8, or whatever number you want to. I mean to say, you can add everything in a bulk and then remove these, the ones which are already there. So now you have your template ready which you wanted to insert. Save it. Let's say import tasks. Then now go back to the DevOps. Okay, and you will have an option here in the work item. Leave it in the work item to import work items. Select downloads, import task, import. So now you have all the tasks ready with you. As soon as you click on save items, it will generate the IDs. See, now the only part left is to create the linking. So let's say writing an execution, you wanted to link this task to an existing user story. So link to an existing item, link time will be child, and let's say you wanted to associate with this one. Okay, and I should say it should be a parent, that's why I'm a little bit. Okay, no, this should be a child, my bad, sorry. So child, and then this is an task inside user story 1. Okay, same this one. Let's say again you selected these two, go to existing, and then you can say maybe this test suite or any other. So it's up to you, right? User story, any user story you can pick. Let's say again 2, and you can create new user story as well. It's up to you, but you just have to do like link child user story, and then you can name the user story my new user story, something like that. Okay, since it is a new one, so it will be a parent, and inside this you will have the childs you can assign. So this is how you can create multiple tasks in one go. Sorry, these cannot be saved, maybe because of the same name, I think, same title. See, and we are trying to save this in a, you cannot add child item between this and this, so there is a conflict. That's the issue. Otherwise you can create it, it's not an issue. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple tasks in one go, and you can associate these tasks to any of the user story. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.